Honorable members, please take your seats.
Thank you.
The Youth Parliament is now in session. Today's agenda is the role of youth in nation building and addressing contemporary challenges. I request to Honorable Prime Minister to present today's opening address.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Respected member of the House, youth are the backbone of our nation. With over 65% population under the age of 35, the responsibility of shaping India's future lies on shoulder. Government believes in education, employment, and digital empowerment. We united to discussion further in strength youth and participation in governance.
Thank you, Honorable Prime Minister. I now invite the Leader of Opposition to present their view.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. While the government speaks of empowerment, the reality for many youth is unemployment stays and lack of opportunities. Youth are not. We demanded stronger policy, better implementation, better accountability, so that youth are not just about decision making in our democracy.
The concerns are noted. I now call upon the Minister of Education.
Honorable Speaker, education is the foundation of nation building. Our focus is on skill-based learning, digital classroom, and equal access to quality education. We are introduced vocational training and education guidance programs, so students are prepared for real-world challenges.
Thank you. The Minister of Environment may now address the House.
Honorable Speaker, climate change is a serious issue and youth play a vital role in protecting our planet. We are encouraging eco clubs and schools in awareness program for sustainable development.
The House appreciate your concern. I now invite the Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Youth engagements through sports, leaderships, programs, and national service builds discipline and unity. We are expanding opportunities in sports and encouraging young builders to actively participate in policy making and social service.
They shall now a member of Parliament from ruling party.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Youth today are innovators and change makers, startups, digital platforms, and social media, so that youth can lead us toward global leaderships. We must trust and support their ideas.
Thank you. I now call upon the member of Parliament from opposition party.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Opportunity must reach rural youth and marginalized section as well. Policies should be inclusive due to social barriers.
Thank you for your valuable input. The independent member may now speak.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Youth must also take responsibility, and awareness about voting, civic duties, and ethical leadership is essential. Nation building begins with discipline, honesty, and respect for democratic values.
Before concluding, I now invite the Parliament Secretary to summarize the discussion.
Honorable Speaker, today's discussion highlighted education reform, employment and environment protection, and youth participation in democracy. The House agrees that youth are not the future alone but the present of the nation.
Honorable members, the House appreciates the constructive debate. Let us remember that democracy thrives when youth actively participate. The session is now adjourned. Jai Hind.